in our foundation, actually, there's two parts to it, right? So the first one is an uncompromising commitment to safety and a philosophy of working smarter, not harder. We did have a digital team that actually started to use Power Apps to come up with some of the formats, very easy to change, very accessible by everyone. And through building a digital team, we realized that there's actually a lot of power projection in terms of getting our guys to know more. The flow of information is faster, our guys can react faster as well. And for the last 5 to 10 years, we have, the work smarter philosophy with the digital team. We have really got in GPI analysts from ground penetrating radar analysts from Hong Kong, because Singapore do not really have this particular trait. And then, and now we have kind of reached a critical inflection point, right? How to this operation maturity actually will unlock a lot of strategic focus. And now we are actually trying to shift to people-centric and strategic focus with our HR team. Human capital is important to every company. How far you can go actually depends on the quality and the pedigree of people that you have. If we look into any company right now, it's always multi-generation. Every generation changes, and they are more and more about themselves. It's not what I can do for the company, it's more of what the company can do for me, right? And this is the hard truth, right? And then I think that companies, to survive, we need good people, we need to find ways to retain the talent. So what have we done to make that quantum shift is that we actually redesign our HR function. Like what was mentioned, our HR has been very, very focused on salary, training, leave, some benefits, and so on and so forth. But right now, our HR department has changed from an administrator to a strategic partner. And how we have gone through that is, last year, actually, both Helen Craft and Mercer, we have engaged their services to understand a bit more on 360 feedback, high potential assessment, and so on and so forth. And then we are planning to do up all these future ready skills. At least we are forecasting what is the skills needed in the future. That's where our HR redesign came in, our CCP for construction, BE sector, project managers, procurement, and so on and so forth start to come in. And we're really rethinking what is the future roles for them. Our key pillars to build people is from just the foundation capabilities like digital HR tools, performance management. So we are trying to change the mindset that it's really not so much of judging, right? We are interested, we are vested in your development plan. And that's how we want to steer and why we need to talk about performance management, to give constant feedback on how they are performing, right? And then we are developing the future leaders. So through the hypo assessments, and we are actually trying to identify who are the future leaders in the company. Last year we did this employee satisfaction survey, right? So we got a lot of positive feedback from that particular report. A lot of the employees actually see HSC is very innovative, very family oriented, very friendly, and efficient. So 2 out of 3 of the companies do not see themselves living in the next year, and 97%, I'm proud to say that 97% of them are proud to for HSC. Coming back to the problem about this B sector being a bit less attractive, right? So I think in today's information breach, social media, websites, and all this, I think it's important to be visual, right? You can be seen in social media, because that's what exactly the Gen Z are after right now. So that's why we also did get our first social media executive just to do branding, right? It is really part of getting the word out. What are we doing? Why are we slightly better than some of our competitors?